Hey guys, welcome back to the JMK Garage. Tonight, as you see, it's cleared out. It's Friday night, and got my buddy Chris heading over shortly to replace the tire on his Dyna. There's mine there. His is an 07, a couple years newer, and after 28,000 miles, or kilometers actually, it's time for a new tire. He was running the Dunlop Elite, or Dunlop American Elite, which obviously did quite well, but he wanted to try out the Shinko 777s here, which I had on the Dyna last year and into part of this year. Burned through it after like 2,000 kilometers, so he's definitely not going to get another 28,000 out of it, but hopefully he takes advantage of that extra traction to attempt to do some wheelies. You can really push him to do that. So yeah, garage is cleared out. Got the tire changer down there, jack stand. I'm not going to bother with the hoist, just there's no need to do that for replacing the back wheel. And picked up this tire balancer from Princess Auto yesterday. He has a newer bike, as I mentioned. It's 25 millimeter axles. So all I have for balancing my 04 Dyna there with the 3/4 inch axles is just a somewhere in the back or up there. Anyways, just a 3/4 inch tube. Not gonna work for his. So we got that on sale at Princess Auto for 60 bucks. But it came with weights, so I need some weights anyway. So wait for him to show up, have a few beers, maybe pop some wheelies on the mini bikes, and let's get this done.
Filming already?
No, just turn it on. Right now, recording.
Oh, this is gay.
You're gay.
Bush Light, Bud Light, Tall Boys, love them. You know who that is? That's the homie from frickin' Hamilton. You can't handle the tooth.
I bought 6 Bush Light, 6 Bud Light, and I love them, tall boys. You can't handle the tooth.
Ready for this, sir? Yeah. Where do you want it? Right in the center? Center. Right on. Yeah, because you said the lift was a pain in the butt, so you're like, let's just use this. Got her there, bud? You give it a little jiggle. Once you get the weight off of it, I think it takes quite a bit for it to actually move around. Yeah, wheels off the ground. Give her a little shake. Pretty good. I mean, you'd have to really be a dink to topple it. Plus my kickstand's down. 26 minutes. For this one? Yeah. Looks like that. Oh, that's why I was freaking wiggling around.
What? Your seat?
Yeah. I lost my seat bolt. I knew it felt freaking weird. Darn it. Yeah, that's 100% why it felt freaking weird.
Oh,
yeah. It's weird, eh? How like you notice things like that.
Wrong.
Something so simple. That's crazy because I did that when I took it off for my my bags, right? Because I cleaned underneath and all that under the seat. I wonder how long that's been off.
That's a different thread than mine, right?
I think it's 4x20.
No, I think we went over that, didn't we? Because I bought, where the fuck I put it? I bought a nice little foam one.
Yeah.
Did I give it to you? Maybe you tried it?
I have, no, I have a different size bolt for that. Because for my single seat, right? That's alright, I'll be fine. Now that I know that that's gone, at least I know now why it feels freaking really weird. That would explain why when I took corners and stuff, like, it felt like it was hopping up. Alright, so that one's off. So now I just gotta pull, I guess I just gotta pull the bracket off. I'm not gonna pull the bracket off. Seven, 6, maybe a half inch. Oh, metric.
Imperial up there.
Yeah, that's I'm talking about. I feel like that might be too big. Almost new and exciting, bud.
What else you want? What else you up to this weekend?
I gotta go to town tomorrow.
Blue Jays game?
What's that?
You want a Blue Jays game?
No. I might be like 250. Do little spoons. They make it look easy on frickin' Instagram when like those Chinese dudes do it. With like 18-wheeler tires and all that. What do you need me to do, homie?
Nothing yet.
And then that just sits there. And then you put another one in. Which way?
Now this one goes in close together.
Okay.
Or you do that routine. That's the nice thing about new tires, nice and soft still.
Yeah. I mean, these aren't that old. 23s. So, 32, 23. I think my new one's
30, 20.
30, 35, 25 or something, yeah. Yeah, she's starting, eh? I didn't care of that.
Oh yeah.
It's crazy how it's like, you don't notice how it's all like kind of cupping out or whatever, or doing that weird thing when it's under your fender.
It's only how it's cupping.
Yeah, it's like all flared out right there. Probably still could have got looking out of this tire.
Well, another ride into work.
What's that?
Another ride
You
into
think
work.
so? You think it's getting pretty thin?
Could have got you a cool burnout here.
Cool. I don't want to friggin' risk not having a clutch. That's cool.
Now which way to put this bad boy on?
Right like that, I guess. How do you know?
Hero.
Which way does so the tire goes on this way?
Yes, this side goes down.
How do you know that?
The arrow.
Oh, rotation? Is happening?
Like that. Rotation of your.
Are you sure? That would flip up and then rotation there. Yeah, okay. Do you wash the little film off of it when you're done? Yeah.
You just slip around
Yeah,
anymore.
be a little slick.
I don't listen to these guys.
Is this a hard part? Where's the dot for the valves down?
No more.
Jiffy stand without rider or luggage.
Yeah.
It's 1/4 inch to 5/16.
Okay.
So we'll get me off of here and put this on.
What was it with the rider on?
remember last time when I dyno it, my friend was loose. Yeah. He was like almost not gonna dyno it. I mean, yeah, you don't want it too tight, right?
No.
Alright. Cool. So is that it then?
Josh?
Yeah. Shitty part.
Oh, it shouldn't be hard right now.
No, I just, the trick is I gotta sit on the bike because I fought with that suspension hitting it, and then I sat on it and seen that the freaking swing arm dipped up enough. Freaking looks weird with a brand new tire on it.
How many clicks you gonna get out of this one?
Probably not near as many. I don't know though. I had no issues with like it on the V-Star. I had it friggin' before I put a bolt through it.
You also hardly had any power and
yeah, it's only 450 pounds, right? As opposed to
and 40 horsepower versus
70. Well, I don't even know if it was 40 to the wheel.
probably not. Like twice the power, 50% more weight.
Yeah, a lot more torque.
Yeah.
That's what eats it up, right? It's like quick takeoffs and all that.
Yeah.
Looks good though. Looks like it's higher in the rear now. Hopefully I got some whack short shots now.
Yeah.
Clean this up a bit.
I put some.
Yeah, that's the biggest your thing.
I put some anti-seize on there, but that's about it.
You got copper stuff there. Yeah, you got Scotch Brite or anything? Like just a little thing that I could just get rid of some of this corrosion. Oh, perfect, bud. Oh yeah. That'll make
Primax is working for you.
a minute. Alright.
You want to get some of
Oh wow, bud. Greg, I gotta learn to use anti-seize, man. Holy smoke. Whew. You got a mallet?
just put it away.
I just gotta hit.
Dead low one? Did you open your beer already?
Yeah.
Alright.
Here. No. My one hose clamp is completely loose. Ow. Oh, I just smoked my other good knee. Yeah, the brackets are a bitch.
Oh, you take care of that.
What's that?
Oh, you take care of that.
Alright, so I gotta figure this out again. Oh no! Go back in there. Oh. What are you listening to?
I don't know. Ashes of Eden?
Eat.
Breaking Benjamin? Is it?
This ain't Breaking Benjamin.
Breaking Benjamin, bud.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Wow. I remember I went on a huge kick to them for a while with John. I used to listen to them all the time. This is no good. What am I doing? I think I put this on backwards, dude. Yeah, it's hit my swing arm. Did I put it on backwards? I think I put it on upside down, bud. No, because there's exhaust on that, so this is clear. Right there. Alright, now before I do all this, I gotta tighten that on where the exhaust is straight, because right now it's flared out and looks retarded. Did I put that on wrong? No, I couldn't have.
That looks right. Same as it was.
Because it wouldn't, yeah, it's just loose, right? When I tighten it up, I want it so the exhaust is parallel. That's all. Put that nut on upside down, guy?
This one?
Yeah.
I did.
I think you did, bud.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fix your eyes.
It's not in its freaking groove. Oh, man. You fucked her up. Yeah. Now I gotta take it all off again.
What?
Yeah. Just the bracket.
The seat is pretty like low profile. Right?
Yeah, it's gay. I hate that seat now. Sometimes if I ring out first a second and I don't do it just right, it's friggin' like a gross friggin' grindy shit. It's weird. I think I got her.
Pretty tight, or still move around?
It's tight, but just the pipe isn't as nice and straight as I wanted it to be. But I gotta tighten this hose clamp though. Can't believe that's loose. I don't know how I did that. You got a flathead? What are you doing?
You're freaking bugs up, bud.
Oh, that was just from riding here, eh?
Oh, really?
Yeah. I had a mint,
Oh.
and I haven't ridden it for a week, and friggin' it was just dust. That was all that was on
I
it.
did clean it after your bike ride.
Yeah, it was friggin' beautiful. And then riding here, I noticed it coming down Commissioners. It was friggin' like every 2 seconds I was getting smoked by friggin' bugs. Did you say you had spare bolts?
Oh yeah.
You think you have a 1/4x20?
Bro.
Pretty common size, eh? Maybe this is the rattling I always heard. I wouldn't be surprised. Alright, rest, we're good, fuck it. You know, it was perfectly fine when I had my saddlebags on there, eh? Because the saddlebag, I do need a washer actually. Because the saddlebags, I had to compress it. Like I had to really push down. And I think it always had kind of tension on the bolt. You got a little washer on me? I don't think that's be long. Oh man, I'm getting too old for this shit.
Now your Harley's a redneck Harley like mine.
Why?
Robertson bolts. Whatever. My freaking air cleaner's Robertson bolts. Behind the cover.
You lose some?
Huh?
You lose some bolts?
No, they came. That's how the bike came.
Oh. Yeah, that's the next thing.
I know.
How do we get this off? I gotta wipe my right sleeve. Oh, so my fingerprints are burning into them. Sweet. Yeah, I'll probably, if it's that easy to do that, then I'll probably go over the mirror and just take this off. But I think it'll be fine. Tire?
135?
Yeah. Why is it so skinny?
That's what Sportsters and FXRs use.
A 135?
135.